Hey guys, it's Fred, Barefoot Adventures. Yes, I know. You see a lot of me. Hey, we're at the Maritime Museum in Cortez, Florida. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's going to be really cool. It's the first time I've been here. So we'll go and check it out. Ooh, they got what's called a folk school. I guess it teaches kids about boats and maritime stuff. So let's go check it out, guys. Be right back. Hey guys, it's Fred. We're back inside the Maritime Museum. Oh, did I tell you it's free? But they do take donations, so every little bit helps. So here we go. I'll show you some stuff. Hope you enjoy it. Here's some display cases. I'll put my glasses on so I can see. Oh, some hauled out boats where they make canoes. You can freeze that and read it if you'd like. Talks about how they dug out their canoes. The different shells. Living along the coast. Well, they set up fishing camps along the Florida coast. This must be one of their fishing cabins. I guess that's some of the tools they use. There's a boatyard. That's what the boatyard would look like as they're building the boats. A shipyard. Pillsbury Boat Works. That's them loading their food on before they take their journey. There's the bottom of the ship. All task is a tall ship and a star to steer by John Masefield. Cool. Oh, there's your slow stop, foghorn. There's their light. Some of the different ways they stored stuff. A bell. I love all this old navigation stuff. It's really cool. Don't know how any of it works, but it's cool. The Jewel Ann still resides in Cortez, although it hasn't seen water for years. I have to go find that. Glenda Fay, there's a fishing trawler. Sharky. These are all fishing boats. There's the different motors and the air conditioner. I like that door. That's cool. Here's a boat. It's a pole skiff. Oh, this is cool. at what a fishing village would look like, guys. Here's the boats bringing everybody in. Hope you guys are enjoying this.
Oh, we have
Here's the boat and me.
So just
It's me, Freddie. Cindy's working today. I'm off today, so I'm running solo. Boats from North Carolina to Cortez. Oh, there's a cool door. And there's a Singer sewing machine. My mom had one just like that. There's a teaching model. Well, that's it. Thank you for coming to the Maritime Museum, guys. I'll see you around the campfire. Bye.